clear. Going to do is ombre. Pick up my heart. This is for someone, I forgot who asked yesterday for the live video. I try to remember who's asking for this. I love the look of this. It's so perfect. I just literally place a heart shape to create the clover. Yeah, Penny Cave, you're welcome. I love it too. So stunning. Coat another coat clears on it. St. Patty's it's gonna be next week, right? The 17th is coming, everyone. I just love a look at it. This one you can either do a lighter. I think I might doing a lighter. Let me test this lighter one and the darker one. That is too dark. I'm gonna do a lighter one. Okay, that's right. For the good for beginner, it's good for you if you don't want to be overwhelming. Just let's start with the key. It's not cuticle. It's right where your clear and where you end your clears. I would place my first bead on right in that spot, which is where in your apex is on usually on the nails, and then I will do another bead to perfect my cuticles. This is gonna be perfect for ombre. So when it's still wet, you need to do is to blend it out. Usually we don't mess up with when it's wet like this, but when you need it for the ombre, it's perfect for you to blend it when it's wet. And then I'll go in with the second bead and kind of blend it out and perfect my cuticle area. Great. Oh, I like that. And then now I'm happy with this. I am going to cap the clear between the green and clear, so then when you're filing them later, you will not have any issue of taking off your green. When it's too wet, then try not to mess too much with the powder. And you see the motion that I'm going to go with guide to the center of the nail to keep the nice shape. I really like this. Really nice. Okay, I'm gonna let it on the side and let it set.